My name is Ashvin Rajagopalan, and I'm the director at Contemporary Now. We have brought together 7 galleries from India representing the best of contemporary art. We have 66 artists who have made works here, and we're showing around 160 artworks, both on the ground floor and the first floor at Lalit Kala Academy. The show is open till the 25th of August, and everybody is welcome to come and look. It is a selling exhibition, works are for sale, and we are encouraging collectors to come and look at all the artworks on display now. So we have certain senior contemporary artists like Atul Dodia, Anju Dodia, Gigi Skaria, and Jitish Kala. We also have a lot of emerging artists here in the show, but it is interesting that you can come and see programs of galleries like Chemold, Badera, Experiment, Chatterjee and Lal, and see what they do in Bombay and Delhi, but you can now see it here in Chennai for the next 20 days. Thank